The fastest reward app isn't always the one that earns you the most money. If a payout takes too long to arrive, it doesn't matter how many points you've collected. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 popular reward apps that are generally known for reliable payouts and what to expect before you request your next withdrawal. First is OnFetch Rewards. OT. Once you've earned enough points for a gift card, redemption happens directly inside the app. Delivery time depends on the reward you choose, but digital gift cards are typically processed faster than physical rewards. Before redeeming, make sure your account is verified and your receipt history follows the app's rules to avoid unnecessary delays. Next is Mistplay. Mistplay lets Android users earn units by playing supported games and exchange those units for gift cards. Before requesting a payout, double-check that your account information is complete and that you've reached the redemption requirement. Keeping the app updated also helps prevent processing issues. Third is N-Rewarded Playing. Players earn points by trying sponsored mobile games and can exchange those points for gift cards from supported retailers. Redemption requests are handled inside the app, and using the same account information you've always used helps reduce the chance of additional verification. Number 4 is $100. This platform includes surveys, games, videos, and promotional offers. Before requesting a withdrawal, confirm that any pending offers have moved to completed status. Trying to cash out before activity is fully credited can make it seem like your payment is delayed when it's actually still processing. The 5th app is Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers several ways to earn, including surveys, shopping, and games. When it's time to redeem your points, choose an available reward and confirm your account details carefully. Even a small mistake, like using outdated account information, can slow down the process. Here's the part many people overlook. Deposit speed depends on more than the app itself. New accounts often go through additional verification. Incomplete profiles may trigger manual reviews, and redeeming during busy promotional periods can increase processing time. Following each app's redemption instructions carefully gives you the best chance of receiving your reward without extra delays. To sum it up, Fetch Rewards, Mistplay, Rewarded Play, Inbox, and Swagbucks all offer straightforward redemption systems when your account is in good standing. Before requesting any payout, verify your account, update the app, and make sure your rewards are fully credited. Do those 3 checks before every redemption, and you'll avoid many of the delays users run into. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons and payout tips.